Hello, GEVS teachers. Mr. Pez here. We're going to talk about scheduling meetings. So we all know about the Meet function. A lot of people are using this every day as a means to make things easier. I know OTs need to use this to get past the lobby, but I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting a couple different ways and be a little more sophisticated around it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're in the team we want to be in. Now you can do this through the calendar. However, there's an extra step. So just go into the team and it's a little bit easier. We're going to go to our drop-down menu and we're going to go to schedule a meeting. Now that we're in our meeting, we're going to put in the details. So morning meeting is a popular one. If you are teaching primary or JKSK, one idea is to add the students as optional attendees. Now what this will do is it'll make them in your little list of participants, so you can just click on their name and call them into your class. A lot of students have a hard time finding the join button and knowing to do that or knowing when to do that. So if you call them in, it'll just make your life easier. If you do it ahead of time, it's going to save you time on the day that your meeting is, because you don't have to, oh, how do I spell that name again? Okay, and type it in and then call them. So the names will just appear. So that's one way to make it a little bit easier. All right, going down next, we have our date, so we can select the date we want this to begin. So let's say you just found out, it's Tuesday, you just found out you're starting on Monday. Well, you can start your meeting for that Monday. Of course, our start time is 9, and then you can have your end time whenever you want. I believe it's 10:30 is when our recess, no, it's 10:15 when our recess starts. I can't remember. If you want to get more exact, you can go in here and add 15. Okay, so that is one way you can do it. But what you do want to do first is go to this button, the drop-down menu, and make it repeat every weekday, Monday to Friday. Then hit send, and you're good to go. Okay, but hold on. If you want to just see this in here, we got to go to the 19th. Let's edit it. Edit the whole series. Okay, here's the issue though. Let's say I don't want this to go on forever, because this occurs every Monday to Friday. This is going to go on in perpetuity. It's just going to go on forever, like even next year and all that stuff. So what we want to do is we want to get a little bit more sophisticated with it. Let's think about how we want to do this. So let's go to custom, and we are going to have it repeat every day, but we only want it until the end of our LTO, or maybe we have a PA date, right? So our next PA day, very depressingly, is January 15. So that could be something that you do, so that you can reset every single time we have a PA day and the daily schedule resets. So go from the current day, or the day you're going to start, to January 15, and then we know that we're going to reset, so you might want to change things afterwards. So you can hit save there and send update. Okay, so that's one option. But one of the problems we're having for FSL teachers is that they don't have the same schedule every day, right? So they don't want things to repeat every day. So what you can do is, let's change this morning meeting to FSL, and we are going to change the occurrences, and we're going to go back to custom, but instead of repeat one every day, we're going to go to week. And let's say you teach grade 5 FSL Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, and you do that until the next PA day, and then the days shift. So that's going to happen until January 15. And now that meeting will only occur on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, because that's when you teach FSL. So that's a solution for that problem as well. Then hit send, or send update in this case, because I edited it, and you're good to go. Now, if you're having really big problems where students are starting the meetings early, once you've created a meeting and you go back into it to edit it, you can go to meeting options. And what this will allow you to do is it'll allow you to create a lobby that only you can bypass. So we're in our morning meeting settings here, and as you can see, it says who can bypass the lobby. Now, people in my organization means everyone in your organization. That means students as well. So if you want, you can set it to only me. And now when the students press join or they get invited, they'll be sent to a lobby where it tells them, oh, we'll let people in the meeting know that you're in the lobby, and they'll have to accept you and let you in. So if you hit only me, you'll have to accept them. However, this also means that OTs, administrators, stuff like that, they can't bypass the lobby. So if you're away sick, they're going to have to know that so that they can hit meet now or schedule a new meeting, because they won't be able to get into yours. And here you can also adjust who can present, only you, specific people, you get to choose. Hit save and you're good to go. All right, close that out and we can send our update. Okay, so now your meeting is set. We did the FSL, so it only appears on certain days. We did Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. So just give it a second to sync and we'll see it. Okay, so now that the calendar has synced, we can see that my FSL meeting is only happening on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.